Hey everyone, I am happy to announce that my book AI Alignment is published. And I would like to talk about why we need AI alignment now more than ever. AI alignment is all about making sure artificial intelligence reflects our values and ethics. My book dives into the challenges and opportunities in aligning AI with human intentions. I provided case studies and I provided solutions along with what future holds. If you're into AI research and policy, this book is for you. As AI tech evolves, aligning these systems with human values is getting trickier. My book offers a multifaceted look at the ethical and technical sides of AI alignment, emphasizing the need to understand our values and consequences of misalignment. I wrote a book about that too, especially in areas like healthcare and governance. You'll discover innovative strategies and learn about governance and accountability measures, making it a must read for anyone interested in tech and ethics. You see, in a world where tech is everywhere, it is vital to make sure AI aligns with human values. My book explores how to integrate those values into AI systems while analyzing real world screw ups. You get an overview of the latest methodologies, ethical consideration, and governance frameworks that promote responsible AI use. Can we trust AI with our future? I explain it more in my other book called AI Misalignment. But here, in this book, we talk about understanding how to align AI with our values because it's very important. The book tackles the ethical and technical dimensions of AI alignment, helping readers recognize the risks of misalignment and the importance of governance and accountability. It's essential reading for anyone involved with technology, encouraging us to reflect on how to ensure AI benefits humanity. My book emphasizes the latest methods for ethical AI development, and it's a roadmap. It's a textbook, and the need for transparent regulations because there's so many regulations which are not right within the AI field. It's a vital resource for researchers, practitioners, and policymakers inspiring and developing. My motivation is to explore the ethical challenges of AI and provide a roadmap for aligning it with our values. I believe we are at a crossroads in determining how AI will shape our future. My motivation is to explore the ethical challenges of AI and provide a roadmap for aligning it with our values. I want this book to spark meaningful conversations and actions that lead to AI technologies that improve our lives while respecting our core value. The book brings together insights from ethics, computer science, and policy studies to tackle the complex challenges of AI alignment. It's written in an engaging style, making complex ideas accessible, and it encourages collaboration among stakeholders to navigate the ethical landscape of AI. Until next time, have a good one. Bye.